Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is 6-0 Notes Basics of Exponents Review. Your objective, you'll be able to review how to add exponents together, combine like terms with exponents, and change a negative power to a positive power. Alright, so let's look at a problem right here. This problem says m to the power of 36 times m to the power of 74. Now our goal is to combine like terms here. Since both of these bases, both of these have the letter m, they're the bases of the exponents. That means all we got to do is just add these two powers. So 36 plus 74, that's going to get us 110. So it'll be m to the power of 110. Looking at this problem right here, we have e to the power of 48 times e to the power of 29. Since both of these bases are both e, they're the same letter, that means we just add these powers together. So 48 plus 29 gets us e to the power of 77. This one, G, 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 all three of these letters are the same. So we can combine all their exponents for combining like terms. So 50 plus 40 plus 42, we add them all together, and we get g to the power of 132. Looking at this one, the e's, all three of them are e's. They're all the same letter, so all we got to do is just add up these powers. So 24 plus 92 plus 85 gets us 201. Now there's four exponents here. We have the base of g to the power of 38 times the base of g to the power of 62 times base of g to the 94 times the base of g to the power of 39. We're just going to add up these four numbers because they're all g. And when we do that, we get g to the power of 233. Now looking at this one, oh, it's just getting a little bit bigger, but we can handle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different exponents. They're all being multiplied together. If they're not being multiplied together, it's a lot more challenging to combine like terms. We're just going to focus on those multiplying all together, just for now. So, since they're all m, all the bases are the same, we just add up all the powers. And when we do that, we get m to the power of 219, because 23 plus 14 plus 60 plus 44 plus 33 plus 45 gets to the power of 219. Looking at this one, now we're starting to mix up the letters a little bit. We have an E and a G. Oh, and a B. I think that B is supposed to be a G. But let's go through this anyway. The ones with the E's, all the E's, those exponents can be added together. So e to the 49 times e to the 10 times e to the 78 times e to the 41 times no other time. So you just add up all the numbers, those powers that go for e. So 49 plus 10 plus 78 plus 41 gets you a total of 178 for e. Now we're going to change them all to be, we're going to add up all the g's, so it'll be 8 plus 56. Now this b is supposed to be a g. That was a typo. So let's change that to a g. That's what that was supposed to be. So that's supposed to be g to the power of 49. So 8 plus 56 times g to the 47 plus, so in other words 8 plus 56 plus 47, that's going to get you a total of 111. Alright. Now this one's a little bit bigger. We got three letters now. We have E, M, and G. Same concepts. The ones with the E's, they all get added together. So e to the 24 plus e to the 92, e to the 97, e to the 45. So 24 plus 92 plus 97 plus 45, that's going to be e to the power of 258. Then we're going to take care of all the g's. And when you add up all the g's, you're going to get g to the power of 254. And when you add up all the m powers, you get m to the 216. And that's how you do that one. Alright, now, the next thing is changing a negative power to a positive power. So unfortunately, we cannot have negative numbers in the powers of our exponents. No worries, it's a quick fix. All we gotta do is just change it from the numerator into the denominator. So e to the positive 2, well, we could leave that in the numerator. M to the positive 1 on the bottom, well, we could leave that in the denominator. We could leave it because it's a positive number in the exponent. However, g to the negative 84, we have to move g to the negative 84 to the bottom. And move it to the denominator. And when we do that, negative 84 turns into a positive 84. Make it nice and big so you see the answer. So e to the positive 2 stays up top, m stays on bottom, and since g was a negative 84, we move g to the bottom, and we get g to the positive 84. Alright, so now we have this problem right here. We have 44 divided by y to the negative 71. Well, same story. To get the negative powers out of our problem, if it's on the bottom, we just move it to the top. So, when we do that, this is my problem. It turns, well, the 44 stays up top, and then we just move the y to the power of 71. Just gets moved up to the numerator. And that will be our answer, 44 times y to the power of 71. Let's look at this problem here. We have m to the 31st times g to the negative 45, e to the positive 92, y to the negative 55. Well, we have two things that have negative powers. We got to change that into positive powers. So we're going to move the g to the bottom and the y to the bottom. Like so. So the g is now g to the power of 45. Y to the negative 55 gets moved to the bottom, so it would be y to the positive 55. And that 47 stays on the bottom too. So I gotta fix that. That's 47 times g to the 45 times y to the 55. Is that 47 that's on the bottom stays on the bottom. Alright. Here's the classwork and the homework. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me or come after school so I can help you out. Alright, have yourself a good night. Bye-bye.